So hello guys, see why coaching center is important for GATE aerospace preparation, and is this the case that without coaching center you cannot qualify GATE exam? So see here, if you think that you are a amazing person, I mean as a student you are really very good, you understand everything from basics and you have done really very good job in your 11 12 basics and everything is crystal clear, and by self study you can complete your GATE aerospace preparation. If you are confident, then no need to join any coaching center. Okay, now next, books are there, so with the help of books also you can prepare very well, because if you are good student then these books will help you and definitely you will crack GATE exam. So next thing, but if you think that you are average kind of student, then keep in mind there are more number of students who are average, and almost average students they go to coaching center and they do really good with the help of coaching center. So which coaching center is best? So see guys, a coaching center is best in many, like there are so many ways you can rank a coaching center. So see, you need a good teacher. So what I believe a teacher is good or not. So see, two types of people are teaching. Some people are teaching for the money, even though they are not a good teacher, but somehow they got settled in some coaching center or in some college, and now they are teaching and they are ruining the students of the life. They are playing with the students of life. And some teachers, they are dedicated. For me, teaching is my passion. I don't teach for the part time. Teaching is my passion. I am totally into academics. I myself has cleared GATE exam 6 times and I'm teaching from last 8+ years. So if you want to know me more, if you want to know about my coaching center, if you know about my YouTube channel, and if you are new on my channel, just stay for some 1 week. I know this sentence is very boring if you're watching this video from many days. So this sentence is very boring. Just you stay on my coaching on my YouTube channel for 1 week and you will come to know about me and my everything. And all the content I have uploaded on YouTube. So almost everything, whatever I'm teaching in live class, some portions of the live class also I have uploaded, and some dedicated videos also I have uploaded. Okay, and I'm continuously uploading academics and guidance videos for GATE aerospace exam, and you can join my coachings. Now you can join my coaching center as well. Now see, which coaching center is the best one? So I am talking about Concept Library. CL is the best coaching center. Why? Because I am the teacher who teaches everything from very basic and into very detail, and I make sure that everything you are able to feel. Okay, and what is my best strength? Because I am totally into GATE aerospace academics, so even after class I am totally available for you. Whatever is uncomfortable, whatever you are not able to understand, everything I will clear on phone call, on Zoom call, on WhatsApp messages, like whatever it takes I will do that, and I will make sure you have understood the topic. Okay, so who can be a good teacher? After going through my YouTube channel, after going through my lectures, you can definitely judge that really everything is going cool and you will be comfortable to join my coaching center. Okay, I'm not of that I'm not of that type of person like teacher. Like teaching is not my part-time job. Okay, and I teach just because I love to teach. Next, a coaching center should be providing you completely designed study material the way I am providing. Like I am giving you live classes. If you want live classes, you can go for that. If you want recorded video lectures like video classes, you can go for that. If you want both, you can go for that. All the assignments, books, all the important, everything, online test series, everything. One more thing about test series. Number of test series what I am giving with the detailed solution is amazing. I am giving maximum number of test series. 400+ test series are there. In that I have topic wise test series, chapter wise test series, full length test series, and like completely loaded with solution. And for lot of questions I have given video solutions as well, and I'm also working on further video solutions on many other numericals. Whenever students is saying, sir, for this question also you can give video solution so that it will be easy for the upcoming batches. So for that question also I am creating video solutions. Okay, now next thing, what is your decision? What is your decision? That matters a lot. Means, are you completely dedicated for GATE exam? If you are not dedicated for GATE exam, then actually you cannot clear GATE exam. What is the length of GATE exam? Actually, it takes roughly 9 months See, if you will ask me like seriously how much time it takes 2 years. Very simple. It takes 2 years. For whom I'm talking? If you are in third year, then definitely it will take 2 years to complete GATE with very good rank. But if you're pass out student and if you're mature student, then 9+ months are sufficient to crack GATE exam. But again, I'm saying I am not talking about those kind of superstars who can clear GATE exam, even though if they are joining in the crash course of 2 to 3 months. There are some people, they are really good people, they are extraordinary students. Extraordinary means their brain works in very different way. They are smart. There is difference between smart and regular person. A person is smart. So see, if you are smart guy, then in the beginning itself, you can take decision that you have to prepare for GATE exam, and by self study you can prepare. But suppose somehow you could not do self study, then definitely you can join some video courses, sufficient, or you can join some crash course, that is also sufficient, right? And some smart people, they can clear GATE exam. Sometimes I have seen videos on YouTube that they say that I have cleared GATE exam within 1 month. So they are like of next level. I should not say they did not clear. I should believe whatever they are saying. But technically, if you think, is it difficult to cover the complete syllabus within 1 month? Then what about your completion, then practice, and then improvement and everything? Anyway, so CL, Concept Library, is the best coaching to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam. You just prepare, you just join me. I have 19+ different types of programs, 19+ different types of programs, especially for GATE Aerospace exam. So if you have sufficient time, and go to description, there I have given the link of my all programs for 2023, 2024, 2025 batches, and all the upcoming batches. There you go with my program link, and complete course you understand with the video, and which course you are interested, join that course immediately. Because already see, I'm telling you, you consider yourself as a average student. You don't consider yourself as super smart or very good student. You consider yourself as average student, and you follow average strategy. Okay, this is June month and you guys are actually late. June month itself is actually late for GATE exam preparation. Students who are preparing for Feb month, you have to tackle with them. Students who have already qualified GATE exam, they will definitely reappear in 2023 exam to improve their rank. So you have to fight with them. If you are Nibbas and Nibbies, very beginner for GATE preparation, make sure you will take 2 years, because it takes 9 months, roughly you consider 1 year, to understand the GATE syllabus in detail. In the same year, you may not gain the enough maturity. So you may get some kind of rank in GATE exam. You may qualify GATE in first attempt. But to come in top 20, you need that kind of maturity level and that kind of dedication. So for that, I am here. Join me, study with me. I will help you a lot. Whatever is required, we will work hard together. Whole day, whole night, we will practice. And really believe me, if you are behind GATE exam, I am behind you. Definitely you will clear the GATE exam. Meet me on WhatsApp if you're interested. Thank you so much.